So the next stage of electric field now is what? Electric field intensity or electric strength. Let us look at what? Electric field. Electric field intensity. Electric field intensity. The electric field intensity is generally denoted by what? By letter E. See, this field intensity, we can also call it what? Electric strength. Is the one that is measured the what? The strength of the what? Of electric field. And electric field intensity can be defined, or this is a what? A force. I say what? This is a force. This is a what? A force acting on a unit charge. This is a force that's acting on a what? A unit charge placed in an electric field. Placed in an electric what? Electric field. Or mathematically, we can say what? Electric field intensity. What? Electric what? Field intensity is the force F. Force what? F per unit charge, which is Q, and it is measured in Newton meter, Newton coulomb. So it is measured in what? Newton per coulomb or volts per meter. So get there. Yes, and is a vector what? Quantity. Yes, it is a vector quantity. Yes. What is E? In a mathematical form, E is equal to what? Let me change it. Mathematically, the field intensity E is equal to the what? Force per unit charge. D is the formula for electric field intensity. You can call it what? Equation what? Equation 1. And that recall that from Coulomb's law, this F is equal to the what? K Q1 Q2 over what? Over R square. Substitute for what? For F in equation what? In equation 1. By substituting for F in equation 1, field intensity will be what? KQ1 Q2 over R square. This divides by Q. Yes, everything over what? Over Q. How am I going to put it like this now? Yes, is multiplied by what? By Q. If you take it out, we have it in this form. So this Q, we cancel what? This Q, you will now have what? E should be equal to the what? KQ over what? R square. So this is what? Electric field intensity. Where key for or for free space. Free what? Space or what? Vacuum. Or vacuum. So this on vacuum K is equal to the what? 9 times 10 raised to the power 9. So for the what? Vacuum. If it is 10 raised to the power 9, we will have it in this form. What do we have again? We have electric field intensity should be equal to the what? E 9 times 10 raised to power what? 9. What is Q? Q over what? Over R square. This is what? For what? Vacuum. Abi? Mm-hmm. Yes, you can call this one what? Equation 2. You can call this one what? Equation 3. 2 and 3 for vacuum. But for free space, or in what? In medium, like water or oil. So the electric field intensity is what? E equal to what? K Q over what? 20 permittivity R square. This is what? Equation what? Equation 4. So let us solve question on what? On how to use this formula. So let's solve these three questions based on the formula of field intensity we have. The first question, we are given that what? If force acting on charge 2 plus, that is charge Q is what? 2 microcoulomb, which is known as what? 2 times 10 raised to power minus 6 coulomb, plays in electric field intensity of electric field of this, determine the electric plays in an electric field is 0.01 Newton. The force 0.01 Newton determine the electric field intensity of the field, which is what? E is unknown. Solution. So here now, using what? Which formula can we apply here? So you can say what? Using formula can we apply? The first formula, E equal to what? F over what? Over Q. So we have E should be what? What is F? F here is 0.01 Newton over what? 2 times 10 raised to power minus 6. If you press your calculator, we have what? 5 times 10 raised to power 3 Newton per coulomb. So that's really what the final answer for the first question. So for the second question, what do we have? Calculate the electric field intensity E at 0.25 centimeter what? Away. Here we are given what? This question what? Number 2. We are given what? Intensity away. What is the what? The R equal to the what? 25 centimeter away. 25 divided by what? Divided by 100 to give us what? 0.025 meter. Or let me take it here. 25 divided by what? 100. 0.0, yes, I know this one is not there. 0.25 meter. And the intensity of this away the charge. What is the charge given there? My Q there is what? Is 5 microwatts, microcoulomb. We are out to find the what? And, we are asked to what? To find the electric field intensity, which is what? Using P. Here we have charge and this. Which formula it contains what? Charge and this. That will be equation 2. We have K Q over what? R square. By applying that, what is this? Is 9 times 10 raised to power what? 9 multiplied by what? What is Q? Q stands for what? 5 times 10 raised to power minus what? 6. Everything over what? R square is 0.25. Everything what? Square. By applying the calculator, 9 times 9, 9 times 5, this will give you this, then 0.5 divided by the value you get A. At the end of the day, we're supposed to end up with what? That will be 7.2 times 10 to the power 6. So electric field intensity will be what? 7.2 times 10 raised to the power what? 6 to be in what? Newton per what? Per coulomb. So the last question for today, it will be what? The third question we have here. So the question says that what? Determine the electric field intensity at 0.25 centimeter due to the charge minus 2 in a medium of this. Yes, I love this question. This question number 3 is deal with medium, and we are given the what? R should be what? 25 centimeter. No, what? 0.25. Yes, good. 0.25 milliwatt meter, and we have Q should be what? 2 microcoulomb, which is equal to what? 2 times 10 raised to the power minus 6 coulomb, and in the medium is what? 1.5. Which formula that we use? We apply what? This last formula. So the electric field intensity will be what? K Q and ER R square. We now have what? E should be what? 9 times 10 raised to the power 9 multiplied by what? 2 times 10 raised to the power minus 6. Everything into the what? 1.5, which is medium, multiplied by what? Or 1.5 into what is 0.25 everything square. Please press the calculator. What are you going to have here? If I press this calculator, we are going to end up with what? 1.92. Yes. Electric field intensity will be what? 1.92 times 10 raised to the power 5 Newton per coulomb. That's all. So this is what? Just introduction to electric field intensity. The next class, I will go deeper in calculation of electric field intensity in a system of what? Of charge, and where we apply what? Superposition theory. Good day.